Welcome back guys, and in Samsung mobile, if you want to customize this volume plus minus key, if you are pressing it simultaneously, you want something to happen. You can choose what should happen, or side key and volume plus key, you are pressing it simultaneously, something to happen. How? I am going to cover in this video. Very simple thing. So not wasting much of your time, just go to the setting, accessibility, go below, and here you will find accessibility, and in accessibility you will find advanced setting, and in advanced setting here side and volume plus key and volume up and down keys. First I am taking volume up and down key. So these are the options which will be selected when you press and hold the volume up and down key simultaneously for 3 seconds. Suppose you want color inversion, so then what will happen? Select it. Now see what will happen when you press volume plus and minus key simultaneously for 3 seconds. I am pressing 1 2 3. See, color has been inverted. Now again press simultaneously 1 2 3. See, it has been inverted. So you can select these all options, and if you hold volume plus and minus key simultaneously for 3 seconds, what you have selected here will happen. I have shown you, and then I will come side and volume plus key. Select. Now suppose I have selected magnification. Then if we press side key this and volume up key, then what will happen? See, here we have not to press and hold for 3 seconds, only press simultaneously. Then see, magnification has been turned on. If you want to turn it off, just press once again. So these are the two customization which I wanted to tell you. Means if you want to select that any particular thing which you want to happen after pressing volume plus and volume minus key simultaneously, or side key and volume plus key simultaneously. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.